secret lover. But when I get you, boy, there'll be no other.
What's up, y'all? I'm back at it again with another video, and today I'm bringing you the Sensational Butta human hair and premium fiber blend. This is a straight 32-inch in the color Balayage gold, and now I'm just showing y'all straight out the pack, straight out the box, what this thing look like. Just inspecting it, and at this point I got this point I got disgusted because I was like, this is a T-part wig? Is this a T-part wig? I don't really know. I'm still learning about all this stuff, but y'all see my bald cap is already colored. So let's go all the way back so we can see where the process started.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else will know what to do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Love is on.
So at this part I was trying to see like how much I guess parting space I would have, because I thought it was gonna be like a, you know, full out like 13 by whatever, but it's not.
Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
So I used 3 layers of the bold hold glue and just blow dried it on high cool heat until it turned clear, and I used the Got To Be spray on my hairline, and then I eventually plucked the hairline, which y'all will see me do, sprayed some more Got To Be on it, and then I tied it down with an elastic band. It's giving scalp. Been a bad beast, Scapiana. Okay, let me hurry and finish this so I can get ready to go work. Ready to go to work.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you.
So this whole time, what's going on here? Next hair video, I'm gonna make sure I definitely get the edges part in there. But if y'all wanted to go ahead and look at how to do them now, they're the little, I think it was the arrogant Tay trick where you curl the edges and then use Got To Be spray to lay them down. You can find it on TikTok, YouTube, whatever the case may be, but I will definitely include it next time. Sorry. I'm done. Just in time to go to work too. Now, I don't really know if heat protectant does anything, so I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna just put a little bit of Got To Be glue on the edges, just so they won't go nowhere. A little donut. Now I'm gonna take my wax stick, put it all over inches.
Your love,
Flat iron it a little bit.
it goes on and on. You keep
My camera finna die, so when I come back home, I'm gonna make an outro and just tell y'all everything. So see y'all when I come back. So I've been back, but I just haven't been on the camera side. This is the wig when you stand up so I can show y'all. I'm 5'2". What the wig looks like on me. Yeah, it tangles a little, but I mean, it's human hair synthetic blend, whatever you want to call it. But sorry, thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. I hope y'all liked it. If y'all like to watch me install, this is my like first synthetic wig since like 6 years ago. I'll insert a pic of what my first synthetic wig really looked like, and that was synthetical for real. I like the little edges I did, you know, it's the cute big edge trend. I just like big edges because I got a big forehead, so you know, I gotta cover that up a little bit. Can't just have it all out running around, like that's rude. Put that away, there like children here. More videos to come. Let me know what y'all want to see. Actually, don't. I mean, you can, but I'm gonna just throw stuff at y'all. So I don't really have nothing else to say. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Bye. I got my 40-inch bust down Tatiana. 40-inch bust down. Period.
Why they like it's cool when you bulletproof?